Hi, my name is Leon. I'm a member of Fellowship City. And today I just want to say I want to draw the line against emotional breakdown and people that emotionally breaks down other people, especially men against women, but also women against men. And to me personally, I say that I realized that when you start speaking to people and you feel the inner um, um, need that they've got and the sore that they've got in their hearts, physically you can't see anything, but emotionally they are broken. And that's what I say, we must draw a line against that. And what we must do is we must, as parents, we must teach our children, because teach our children that home is a piece of heaven on earth. They must come home and say, this is where I want to be. And that's what I want to teach my boys as well one day, is stop everything that you're doing that impacts negatively on other people or on your wife or on your children. So that is my stick in the sand, and I wanted people to draw the line there. Heaven can be a place on earth. Heaven starts at home.